Since Best Friends set a goal to take the country no-kill by 2025, we've made a lot of progress. We rely 100% on support from the public and from corporations and from caring individuals.
The key here is to achieve the mission, to get as many animals adopted and save as many pets as we can.
We are so grateful for our support and partnership with Speed Queen. I mean, it's so important that these companies that have voices bigger than ours can really get the word out for us.
We dig our hands in. We want to send people here, teams of folks. We're doing what we can from an equipment standpoint, and we're helping with financial support as well. We provide the awareness that will help them to continue with their mission and ultimately achieve it.
We can see the finish line, and we know we can get there. 2016, when Best Friends set out to take the country no-kill, there were over 2 million animals that needed to be saved. But we've made tremendous progress, and there's still 347,000 animals out there, and each one of them is counting on us.
As we approach the end of the year, we know that this is a fantastic time to not only adopt, but also to donate.
It is so easy to donate. Click on our website. Every donation is tax deductible. It's even $1 can help save a life. And find a lot of other things that you can do to help animals while you're there.